Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to convert a NumPy array into a data frame column? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you exactly how to do it. I totally get it. You create an empty data frame and want to add columns dynamically with NumPy arrays, but the syntax can be confusing. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges when working with Pandas and NumPy. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How do I convert a NumPy array into a data frame column?" They mentioned that they have an empty data frame and want to loop through to create 5 NumPy arrays, adding each one as a column to the existing data frame. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be the best way to achieve this? The key is to understand how Pandas handles data frames and how you can assign NumPy arrays to specific columns. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. And don't go anywhere. I've got a handy tip at the end that will make your data manipulation tasks even easier. To convert a NumPy array into a data frame column, the user should first ensure they have imported the necessary libraries. Specifically, they need to import Pandas and NumPy. Next, the user should create an empty data frame. This can be done using the Pandas library. The user can initialize the data frame with an empty constructor. Now, the user can loop through their code to create NumPy arrays. In each iteration, they will convert the NumPy array into a column in the existing data frame. This can be done by assigning the NumPy array to a new column in the data frame using the iteration index. Finally, the user can check the contents of the data frame to ensure that the NumPy arrays have been added as columns. This can be done by printing the data frame. Fun fact, did you know that NumPy was originally developed to support the fast computation of numerical data in Python? It's a powerful tool that works seamlessly with Pandas. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to converting a NumPy array into a data frame column involves using the Pandas series. First, you create a series from your NumPy array. Then you can assign this series as a new column in your existing data frame using the assign method. If you don't have an existing data frame, you can create one directly from a dictionary, where the key is the column name and the value is your NumPy array. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach shared by another user involves directly creating a NumPy array with random values and converting it into a data frame. They suggest using a loop to add each NumPy array as a column to the data frame. Additionally, they propose a simpler method by generating a 2-dimensional NumPy array and converting it directly into a data frame, which can be more efficient. Here's the handy tip I promised. Always check the shape of your NumPy arrays before assigning them to a data frame column. This ensures that the dimensions match and prevents any errors. And there you have it. You should now be able to convert NumPy arrays into data frame columns with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced data manipulation techniques.